Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Quiz to tell you in this tutorial how to go for your Gmail rescue. Yes, when you have to forget the password, someone who has stolen your Gmail ID and changed the password, you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone numbers. How do you recover it? And this ID has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his ID. Yes, along with this specially device also. So now, yes, having this kind of the problem here that he is not in the positions to reset his ID. Yes, this particular emails because he doesn't have the recovery email and recovery phone number. So he has given 2 minutes to recover it. So let's rescue live here so that maybe it will be an institution purpose for someone who is having this kind of the problem, guys. But don't worry, this tutorial may be Panisha in that condition when the someone who has hacked your Gmail ID, has hacked your Gmail ID. Now you are not in the position to reset the password because you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone numbers. Then this will be, of course, easy tutorial. Step by step you will have to apply this process and you will be able to get it once again back, either it is old ID or of course a new Gmail ID. So how it is? Let's see. We will tap the first and foremost in the accounts recovery page of your Google's and the phone. Of course we don't have a password, so always pick alternative options. So we don't have, so just we will go for try another way. So here is having the phone. I don't have the phone number, so now why not directly escape? So now it's essential that I did not have to provide enough information for the Google to be the shops, and that's this account is mine. Then how could it be possible? Especially this account can be mine. Yes, answer as many questions as you can. Second is use a device where the signed before. We want always alternative option. Third options can I had. Don't click on it here. If I do the multiple times here, try again, so then of course Google will contact you. Option will be open there by different email. You will have to give your proof, documents, evidence on the basis of Google will endorse to justify this account is really yours or not. If it is not, then not, and if it is, really this account belongs to you on the basis of your document and identity proofs, and then Google will give you an opportunity to create the strong password, but after 48 hours. So we cannot wait such a long time. So because for the data privacy, we would like to quick rescopes in this side. How it is possible? So don't click on here, and we will go for alternative options. What is alternative? Of course, it have on a space line Play Store. The going Play Store in the search bar. We will have to write here Microsoft has especially AI browser. We will have to go for. So now it has started to install. On the other hand, what we will do? Just we will cut it from here. We will come now. Yes, there's Chrome. I was trying and Google browser. Just we will have to make it some 2 changes. That is very crucial, guys. So how it is possible? We'll go in notifications, make it blocks. So notification has been blocked. Let's hit specially back one more time. So here, see it. Now we will come in permission. In permission, of course, we will come in locations. In location, we will have to go for the precise location of and upon click on especially don't allow. So the device may no longer the function as intended for timing I'm doing it. So just we will cut it from a similar status. We will have to apply this especially on this Chrome. So now see this app has been installed. So just we will go for on here quickly. We'll go for here special notifications. Let's see, and we will have to make it the blocks. So let's see notification. Tap on it here to block. Let's see. Now we will back one more time and here. Now see guys here 2 times a cam. So let it cut. Mistakes I have done. So just once again we will come the whole that in this Chrome, and of course we will go for here and we will come the permission. In the permission, of course, we will have to navigate the location. So free up the space, make it disable. Come the locations, navigate by precise location off, and we'll go for don't allow anyway. Don't allow anyway. We will go for so device features no longer the function as intended. Now what is that? We will have to come especially to as open it. Now so what will happen, guys? We will further see. Don't worry. Now now hence especially we need 2 minutes more to the recover of it. And how it is. Just we will go for click here. Don't now. Not now. Or go for default browser, no problem at all. Now so we are on the default browser, so just we will go for here, type on this and of course we will go for here particular ID, so we will type on it and we'll go for here Google co.in, so we will type, and thereupon of course we will pick these ones, and after coming to picking this now especially here we will have to wait for this sign in options. We'll go for the quickly here into the ID, so here we will write this, and particular in this ID we will go for next and see what will happen. Here it will ask the password, but fine, so no problem at all. We will go for forgot password. Always pick the alternative options. Here the more alternative option will open, so don't worry guys. Here just I have it in, especially the recover the multiple, especially on the channel. So now see more tips to the recovers of these accounts. This is the different ones except two. So we will use these ones, but don't click on a try against by this browser. We will do it. Dance. We'll go especially by the Google. So the how it is. See. Here, if I click the try against multiple times, and then so this account will be fresh because Google will track the easily that's having the time to recover the particular this Gmail ID by different browser. So of course, that means it doesn't belong to you. So in that condition, don't go for it. More tips to recover this option we will use from here. Just tap on especially on the Chrome browser. Hold it 1 second guys, and this step is a crucial step. So now just hold that, and of course we have the one browser app options. Here we will have to go for these selections, and thereupon we will cut it from here, and thereupon of course we'll have to tap in a setting. Now hence the crucial step that we will have to execute Google service. This ones we will have to pick on this, and we will have to go in a special help options too. Of course will come pick these ones. Now we'll go for cant sign-ins, and of course if I go for cant sign-ins, then what will happen here, we have options, and that is especially you think someone else is using and this account, so it means it has been hacked, stolen, so of course change the password, anything. So by this kind of this option, so just we will go for now here. Let's see accounts recovery, or just review your account pages, and here just we will go for find out if your account has been hacked. So we have little actors in this one. So now we will scroll up and we'll go for these steps to the accounts of the recovery. And before the going to the house, so we would like to give some one precautions on that. If I click here account recovery page, then what will happen, guys? Let's see. Now here simply just we will have to go for write your particular this Gmail ID, and thereupon of course we'll go for tap here to next, and what will happen, see. Now see guys, here directly we would be here, and don't click on a continue, just this buttons should be here to change the password. Don't click on a continue, otherwise you will be trapped in its verify you option. Its verify you option means you will have to verify that this account is really yours. It means OTP would be generated, yes, recovery on your recovery phones and recovery emails. So in that conditions, skip this options, otherwise you are not in the positions to have to reset. That's why you have gone with the alternative options. So now here create the strong password, confirms the new strong password, and go for change it. After changing directly, don't go for logout. Yes, in login just you have to go in the security center at the recovery email and the recovery phone number, so such kind of the incident won't be happens again or repeated again with you guys right now on the live screen. So that we cannot especially on a live screen the recording, so this would be a public domain. If I create this strong the password, so after a screening off, of course we'll go for create this strong password, and thereupon we will have to deliver to this my viewer this ID. So this is all about. If you are facing this kind of issues, of course please drop the comments in the comments box out of it. Yes, pleasures to the reply according to your problem or the challenge, or if you are able to, then go with the similar strategy and rescue of it. This is only for institution purpose in this tutorial, guys. Don't misuse it. And thereupon, of course, anyone who having this kind of the problem, then they can fix easily by the watching this tutorial. So this is all about. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. If it is informative and knowledgeable, then don't forget like, subscribe, and share of this content, because this is the thing that will inspire me a lot to make it the such as this informative tutorial. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.